So I'm reading this problem here. It says, consider this right triangle. Determine whether the expression can be used to find the length of side AC. Select yes or no for each expression. So I think they were a little lazy when they made this practice test. They didn't specify that angle B is the right angle, but from their diagram, it seems pretty obvious. So we need to know that because we need to know which one's the hypotenuse, right? If we don't know which one's the right angle, there's no way to know which one's the hypotenuse. So we've got two statements having to do with angle A and two statements having to do with angle C. This one, we'll call this X over here. X is the hypotenuse. If we're over here at angle A, the sine of angle A would be what? If we're standing right here. What's the sine of angle A? Sine is the SO, right, of SOHCAHTOA. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, right? So what's opposite A? 24 is, yeah. So we have 24 over X. So if we do the little flippy-do, that means that X is equal to 24 over the sine of A. Excuse me. So this one's a yes. How we get from here to here, here's the long way to get there. If I multiply both sides by X to get the X's to cancel, and I divide both sides by sine of A to get sine of A to divide out, there's my X is equal to 24 over sine of A. Let's look at the cosine one. So cosine of A, what would the cosine of A be? Cosine is the ca part, right? C-A-H. Right, so this one's adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. This one's always the hypotenuse, because the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. It doesn't change. Which one is adjacent depends on which angle you're talking about. So adjacent over hypotenuse, 18 over X. So flippity-do, X is equal to 18 over cosine of A. And we got another yes. Now we'll flip it up. We'll take a look at the sine of C. Sine is still opposite over hypotenuse. If I'm standing here, which one is opposite? It's this guy right here, right? He's the farthest away. So 18 over, still over X, because the hypotenuse is X every single time. So that means that X is equal to 18 over the sine of C. Oh, nope. Ooh, I bet this one's going to be, bet that one's going to be wrong too. If I do cosine of C, the cosine of C is 24, right? This is the adjacent over hypotenuse. 24 over X. So flippity-do, 24 over cosine of C. So yes, yes, no, no. Yes, yes, no, no.